Hey guys, welcome back to the second story of a successful individual. I hope you all liked the story of Colonel Sanders that I had presented last week. And we'll go ahead with this week as well. In the same format, we'll be going through the life journey, a few points, and then we'll reveal who that person actually is. Then we'll see what impact that person has had on himself and his surroundings, the environment. And then we as a common man will know what are the lessons that we can learn from them. So the message from this particular story is that our weakest point may be our greatest forte. So what's the life story of this individual look like? So he was the son of a renowned poet, and then he slept in the streets of Mumbai, he slept in the streets of Marine Drive as well. And then he was rejected by the All India radio station twice. Not once, but twice. And the reason that was given to him was that his voice was really not suited for All India radio. Then he was rejected in various auditions, acting auditions, due to his height. He was told that his height was above average than an average individual. So he was rejected in various auditions. Then he faced a life-death situation when his career just took off. He had come up with a huge fame that he had received for his work that he had done before, and then he faced a life-death situation. And then he went bankrupt at the onset of the 21st century. This I'm talking about of the early 2000s. He was literally bankrupt. He was begging for money. He was begging for work. And he was on the verge of losing his Juhu house, which was named Pratiksha. Now, I really think that you'll understand who this individual is. But he fell 7 times. This is what I want you all to know. He fell 7 times, but he stood up 8 times. And this, guys, is none other than our Bollywood superstar, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. And this is what he has to say. Change is the nature of life, but challenge is the future of life. So challenge the changes, never change the challenges. What a beautiful quote this is by our very own Bollywood superstar. So let's see what impact that he has had. He currently owns 5 bungalows. How many do you own? Not to compare, but this is the impact that he has had after being bankrupt in the early 2000s. He owns 2 flats in Mumbai. His net worth right now is around 2,500 crores after being bankrupt in the early 2000s. So what are the lessons that we can learn from them? His belief in self made him move ahead. He was rejected because of his voice. He was rejected because of his height, but he never gave up. He turned rejection into extra motivation. How many of us are able to do that? One small percentage raise in our merit for a particular year, we just get rejected. We just get dejected in that particular moment. How many of us really get motivated and work extra hard for that extra bit of results that we are looking for? So this guy used to take motivation from his rejection. Start thinking of the future. Focus towards your future and stop cribbing about your past. If you still can't stop thinking about your past, change the interpretation of your past and turn it into an extra mode of motivation. Bad times either destroy you or make you stronger enough to be who you actually are. So this is the lessons. These are the lessons that we can learn from this individual. And I really hope you all take some cues from it. And I really am trying my best to take my cue from it. So that's it from my side, guys. I hope this made sense. If you love this, please ensure you hit the like and subscribe button. This is Nimish here. This is my voice. I'm a son of 2 lovely parents, brother of a beautiful independent woman. I'm an engineer turned MBA turned senior HR professional turned author and life coach. And my mission in life is to help people realize and achieve their true potential and be their best selves. So thank you, guys. That's it from my side. Until next week, another story, another individual, another source of inspiration and motivation. And until then, enjoy life. Thank you.